Dardanelles northbound traffic closed by disabled freighter. General cargo ship Princess Sarah suffered engine failure while transiting Dardanelles in northern direction, at around 2130 on February 1, off Nara Burnu Point. Tug was sent, the ship was taken under control and brought to anchor in Canakkale Bogazi area. Northbound traffic was closed until the ship was removed from northbound lane. The problem was fixed, the ship started moving at around 0130 on February 2. Princess Sarah is en route from Isdemir Turkey to Constanta Romania. General cargo ship Princess Sarah, IMO 9,728, DWT 4706, built 1991, flag Tanzania, manager BLUE Bay Investments Ltd, Romania, EQUASIS.